Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to spawn NPCs in Hytale. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is to open your section for the commands by pressing on the slash button. So, once you see this slash button on your keyboard, press it. Now if you're in a new world, you're going to have to up yourself. So, the way you do that is to allow yourself to get commands. And so, just write OP and then self. So as you can see, I am no longer OP because I have already done it. So for you, once you join for the first time, click OP self, and now you are now OP, and you can now do whatever you want for the NPC commands. Now to spawn NPC, all you have to do is to click on the dash again, then click on NPC and then spawn. Once you write that NPC spawn, it now shows this table right here. And so you can choose to spawn whatever you want. Any animal, or any enemy, or anything hostile. But be careful because if you spawn any mobs, then they're going to attack you immediately. So, whatever you want, just add it. And then from here you can rotate it, you can add whatever you want, and you can increase the quantity. But be careful because if you increase the quantity too much, then your computer might lag. And so you can spawn items, models, but most importantly NPCs. And once I click spawn, there we go. Now we have one of them. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.